Happy Easter! You won a red ribbon loot bag. Nasaan yung isa pa? Ito.
Yan.
You won a red ribbon loot bag.
Happy Easter! You won a red loot bag.
Red ribbon loot bag.
You won a red ribbon loot bag.
Ito pa, oh.
Happy Easter,
Last,
you
last.
won
That's
a 2,000.
2,000 Hail Marys.
Happy Easter! You won a Jelly Ace 4 pieces.
What?
Happy Easter! You won a Jelly Ace 4 pieces.
Wow, jelly.
But 200,000. No, 200,000.
Puro red loot bag, ah.
What?
Wow.
Let me check. Oy, you won 20 pesos from me?
Oh, praise, you got this. See?
Pare, 200,000 na nabaso.
I don't have money to pay off. Bakit ko mo ba yung 20 ko rito?
Ay, picture.
Ang bili?
Picture. Meron pa.
Okay na.
Hindi, dalawa lang pa anak.
Yeah.
Ito ka pa kasi eh.
Ah, hero. Take a picture. No, don't worry about 20 pesos. Yay! Eggnog! Ah, meron pa.
Kaya anong galing to? 20, wala kasi yun.
Don't worry about 20 pesos. Ito lang. Picture mo to. Friend,
Okay,
isa
use
pa.
your 20.
Ito.
Okay lang, ito na. Video to video. Yan.
Baka may ano.
Yay!
Tutsi Lolo.
Si Tex, ano nakuha?
Sana, sino nakakuha?
Wow!
Hindi ko alam. Parang binigay ko yun Find it. Ito ulit. It's yummy. Tutsi Roll. Ito, te. Flavored.
Last no.
Orange strawberry, bubblegum, apple.
We got a lot of prizes. Huh?
Isa pa, te. Oh, may isa pa. Ito, oh.
Baka may itlog.
Asa na yung Cadbury mo? Huwag mawalain yung Cadbury mo.
Akin na.